Sheesh. This area smell like shit. Currently 9:24. I'm actually doing a trade on my phone. That's why won't really be recording much. But yeah, I'm gonna start work now. It's what is this? Kombucha.
It's a gut health for you drink.
It's like those help to stabilize glucose sugar one, right? It's like when you eat a lot of sugar. Before you eat any sugar, you eat this first, then only you eat one, right? Is it not?
It's for your guts.
This one, okay. Bro, apparently Myanmar know how to speak a lot of languages also, right?
They
pretty
came
smart,
here,
bro.
they learn.
Yeah.
You go to other.
Oh my gosh, it's so sunny. Alright, I'm just done eating my lunch. Now time to wash the dish. Alright, that will be about it for today. It's almost 12 o'clock already. I brought my mom and everything. Peace.